Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Power Grid Corporation of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on the company with a revised price target of Rs 360. Company is well positioned to benefit from the capex in the renewable space in the power sector. On the conservative side, company will have to do a capex of Rs 2.1 lakh crore till 2032 on a gross block of Rs 2.76 lakh crore. So there is a huge runway for growth. Next we cover Aarti Industries. Our analyst upgrades the stocks from hold to buy with a revised price target of Rs 800. The company is guided for a 20 to 30% volume growth and increase of EBITDA of 50% in FY25. With increased capex and improving demand environment in the discretionary segment, we expect the stock to do well.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.